Today, I will share 7 steps to set up a digital marketing agency with job servicing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In my previous video, I mentioned the importance of setting up a digital agency for your job servicing business, and I also explained 4 different types of agencies that you can set up. Some of you request that I do a more in-depth video on digital marketing agency. So today, I will share step by step on how you can start a digital marketing agency using job servicing method. Step number 1 is identify your target audience. You cannot skip this step because we don't want to target everyone. With a specific target audience, you'll be able to understand the exact services that they need, and it will help to promote your services to the right crowd. Don't worry, you can expand your target audience a bit more after your business is more established. For demonstration purpose, I will be using home baker as our target audience for today. Step number 2 is to list down possible services that your target audience may need. Here are some of the web services that home bakers may need: e-commerce website development, SEO, branding, social media marketing, content marketing, video marketing, video editing, influencer marketing, and email marketing. From this list, you'll be able to create many unique packages to sell to your clients. Step number 3 is to do market research and pricing. There are 3 places that you can do research, which are digital marketing websites, online marketplaces, and social media platforms. For website, you can Google digital marketing pricing packages, explore the sites with lists of packages. This way you can roughly know the average prices of digital marketing packages other agencies are charging. Not only that, you'll also be able to know the list of deliverables that are available in the market. Here's a secret that no one talks about. There is no one service package that lists the same items in the market. That means it is hard for your clients to make any apple-to-apple comparison, and this point is definitely to our advantage. What I usually do when I create a package for my services, I will Google and take note of the price range without looking at the deliverables. Let's say I want to know the market price of email marketing. I will do a quick search on email marketing pricing package range. After that, I will head over to Fiverr to also check out the prices there to know what are my potential profits. Step number 4 is craft out the packages. Based on our target audience, the home baker, we can promote several packages. You can create one starter package for a new home baker, assuming they do not have a website. You can also create social media packages and another package for email marketing. One tip here is to name the packages as seen on some of the examples here. Let me show you some example social media package that we can create for home bakers. This is one of my social media package, which I charge only $1,300, which is pretty good in value. And here's another one I found on Facebook. This agency is promoting their basic social media package at $1,500 per month with minimum 3 months contract. As you can see, their deliverables include 8 posts, 1 video, copywriting, and creative visuals. We can definitely promote this simple package to the home bakers. Step number 5 is build your team of freelancers. Based on the previous basic social media package, we need to hire 3 different freelancers. One for the promo video, one to create 8 social media posts, and another one for post copywriting. For video animation, I found one promo video freelancer charging $250 for 30 seconds video, 8 social media posts at $150. The range is usually between $100 to $300, so choose the best freelancer to work with. And lastly, $70 for social media post copywriting. Total cost based on this example is $470 and your profit will be $1,030. It may seem a lot, but don't forget that you are the project manager and you need to get paid for doing this. Step number 6 is agency branding and website creation. After you have determined the type of agency you want to set up and your service packages are ready, you can start to think of an agency name. If you have no idea how to name your agency, you can go to businessnamegenerator.com to get your ideas. Key in agency here and click enter. You'll get thousands of agency name ideas and I'm sure you'll be able to find one that you like. When choosing a name, try to find names that are related to digital marketing. After choosing the agency name, you can buy the website domain name and start creating a website for your agency. You also need to create social media pages using the same agency name. Step number 7 is to market your agency. Market the service packages on online marketplaces and social media platforms. The best marketing strategy I use is social media marketing and email marketing, whereby I create a sales funnel. I have videos on how to get clients. I will leave the link up here. Once you get clients, then you just need to gather the information or requirements for the job and then engage the relevant freelancers to fulfill the job. Your role is as a project manager, ensuring the job is done according to the agreed proposal and to make sure your freelancer complete the job on time, plus of course ensuring he or she does a good job. Here's a pro tip for you. When you're first starting out, don't sell too many services. You may be overwhelmed. Focus on promoting your main service. In the home baker example just now, you may focus on social media marketing first. Setting up job servicing agency has more versatility in terms of offering different kinds of services according to your target audience. Try to understand your target audience more and you'll be able to sell the packages easily. If you like this kind of online business model, I have a full job servicing tutorial over here. So make sure you check it out and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.